So what is light? Since we're doing thinking and lighting, there's one thing, this is more like a side fun fact, is it doesn't look like, but light is invisible. You can see a light source, like the suns, or around here, the projectors that are on. You look into the light source, and you can see when it hits something. But it has to travel from the light source here, and in between, it is completely invisible. If you look up to the night sky, it's full of stars, which are the light sources, because there are many suns. But in between is the completest darkness that we can imagine. We know this when we see a satellite or we have the planets. There must be light because the sun hits the planets, so we see Mars and Venus. But in between, there's nothing. And I find it quite interesting to work with a material that we don't even know if it's a material or if it's a wave or something like this, and we can't touch it, we can feel it. So in this workshop, we talked in the beginning, and then we went to the practical thing, how to apply lighting in theater. So now, you see me isolated in the space, and you see my face pretty well, because it's right here in front of me, it just goes on my face. We do this exact same light, it just comes in an angle. And you would see this kind of light where the light comes in and a bit of the face is in darkness. There's a little triangle here. They even call this the Rembrandt triangle because he used this a lot to have this a bit more beauty light. This is used more in horror films and in black and white films because it does this thing. And we perceive it as more dangerous because it comes from below.
You think jotting me down is about control? And I know it's about erasure. I know what this was before what it is now. This idea that land can be owned and that a person can take a piece of the earth and say, this is mine and mine, that is a plague.